You're gonna shoot the girl?
No, I'm gonna shoot the tree. Hey guys, don't do that. Just leave it alone. P90, haven't uploaded the, well, by the time you see this one, I'll have uploaded the review. But I'm gonna test fire it. Eric's behind the camera. Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Yes, he is. He's watching me. He's still here. Because in the last video, I tell you. So I'm gonna shoot anywhere, I guess. P90. Mag's not full, of course, because it holds 600 rounds. So. Ah, dang. Hit fire! Ah! Squirrel! It's out. Look at this long mag. Which do you like better? The P90 with the mag? Without the mag, or with the mag? I like it with. It's so cool. Oh yeah. Here's the thing that I should have added to the review last night that Eric told me after we made the video. The mag, as long as there are bullets in it, it has to stay inside the gun. Inside the gun, because there's a hole. There's a hole right there on the mag and right there on the gun in the exact same spot. Because that's where the BBs transfer from the mag to the gun. But other than that, yeah. If you want it, go ahead, get it from Hobbytron.